Do you think Earth is the first planet in the universe to give rise to civilization? We are either the first of many, or one of many. I personally think we are just one of many, neither the first or last. May the gods help the universe if the Earth is the most intelligent planet out there. Actually a tough question to answer. Basing this off of no scientific proof whatsoever, think we'd be like fourth place. Honestly, until we find another one or traces of, it's quite impossible to know. It's all about where the great filter actually lies. One of many. I can't possibly think the first only because the universe is not fully understood. It's huge out there. No one knows where it ends. I am 100% convinced we are not alone and we're not the first. The numbers are just too big. Even if the point of one of planetary systems in the history of the universe have the conditions to give birth to a somewhat advanced life form, we're still talking about billions. And this is probably a very conservative estimate. Hell, even here on Earth life started, died and restarted, 7 times? We're not the first and not the last. Humanity is not even a dust speck on the scale and age of the universe. No, the universe is too vast and old for that to be likely. I also believe the conditions are too unlikely for two civilizations to develop both simultaneously and close enough to each other for contact. It's definitely not a stupid question. While Earth is the only known planet with civilization so far, given the vastness of the universe, it's possible that other planets have or have had their own civilizations. We just haven't discovered them yet. I don't think so, specifically because the dinosaurs got wiped out. Even if life formed on Earth pretty early compared to most of the universe, I assume there are other planets at a similar level, and as soon as the asteroid set us back hundreds of millions of years, I imagine some other planet wasn't unlucky, and that puts them hundreds of millions of years ahead of us. No chance whatsoever. There's only two possibilities. There is life out there in the universe which is smarter than we are, or we're the most intelligent life in the universe. Either way, it's a mighty sobering thought. Walt Kelly. I sure hope so. I'd hate to know that certain politicians are members of the most intelligent species in the cosmos. My guess is that there are others before us outside of the observable universe. I'd expect civilizations before us to have reached a crazy level of advancement since we spent so little time at each stage of development compared to when civilization started. And with that crazy advancement, I'd expect to see evidence of Dyson spheres blocking out stars. But I don't think there's definitive evidence of them currently. On the other hand, I don't think, physically, our conditions are unique enough that we would expect to be the only civilization in the lifetime of the universe. And I think, probabilistically, we shouldn't expect to be the first one. So I think it's likely others are out there, but we haven't seen them and likely will never see them. Given where we are in the universe and the age of the universe, odds are not good. We're a very mid-galaxy and a very mid-planet. No, there are probably multiple planets in the universe with civilizations thousands, even millions of years older than ours. No. I think it's too big to imagine that in the great expanse we somehow are the only one. We are too small and insignificant to comprehend. I think the most likely possibility is that intelligent life has developed a civilization somewhere else in the history of the vast universe, but they are too distant in time and/or space from us for either to know about the other. With 1016 or so stars, if we are the first, probability-wise it's equivalent to winning the mega lottery 2 times in a row. So no. Given the time it takes stars to create the elements that life is made of, no, I don't think we are the first. Ask the aliens.